How to make passive income with stunning AI stickers, Midjourney Tutorial Print on Demand. So go ahead and open your Discord application to access the Midjourney. Make sure that you have a Discord account since this is the only way to access Midjourney. Midjourney is a text-to-picture artificial intelligence service that allows users to generate images based on textual descriptions. With that, it creates a wide range of art forms from realistic to abstract styles. So we are going to utilize this Midjourney to create our stickers. Once you are in their site, you need to click on the sign in and you will then be asked to log in your Discord account. So make sure that you have one since we will be using Midjourney through Discord only. Once you're logged in, your profile will show and here is the profile page with the images I previously generated, and here is the Discord channel of Midjourney. This looks intimidating at first, but what we just need here is any of these newbie channels. This is the free version wherein we can type the command for Midjourney to generate an image from our text, which is the /imagine command. Now, as you can see, everyone is here and this channel could be a little chaotic. And if you're not subscribed to any of their plans, you cannot use majority of the features. And also, what you generated cannot be used for commercial purposes. They have monthly and yearly billing. Also, if you're subscribed to any of their plans, you also get a private bot wherein commands of other users will not be bothering you. So once you're in here, type in a / followed by the word imagine. This will then show, so just click on it, and this prompt is where we will type in the description of the image that we want to be generated. Now type in /imagine. First word that we will type in is sticker. This will create the sticker outline to our subject. And then from here, start describing the sticker that you want. Let's say we want to sell a sticker of a grumpy corgi sleeping. As you can see, we specified its mood. So you can put it here. It can be happy, sad, lazy, just to get the results that we want. After that, you can then specify the art style that you want. Let's type in kawaii, cute, and vector. Then you can also add in the vibes or the color palette that you want. So let's say we want a vibrant color. You can also choose pastel or whatever. And lastly, type in white background so that we can cut it easily later. Take note that there's no specific format to follow in here. Just type in the words that will describe the image that you want to be generated. Now just wait for this to load, and once it's loaded, you will then see 4 images. You can upscale this by tapping on this U1, U2, U3, or U4 buttons. This is our numbering. This is image 1, image 2, 3, and 4. And U stands for upscale. Once it's done loading, you can then see the image individually. If you did not like any of the results but you want to use the same prompt, just click on this refresh button and it will then generate new set of images. Another feature that you can use if you're not yet satisfied with the images that you currently have is the version. This V1 to V4 buttons means version, and once you click on one, variations of the same prompt will then show and you can then choose from there. Once you have your desired sticker, make sure you upscale it, and from these options, click on the web button. This will direct you to the default browser of your device, and here you will see its size, the date, aspect ratio, and other details, and from here click on the save icon. The photo will then be saved to your device, and the next thing that we need to do is to check for any copyright issues. We need to make sure that your sticker has no similar results and Midjourney did not get the exact photo from other artists. So start a new Google search. Click on this camera icon for you to be able to upload your Midjourney generated photo. Select your sticker, and once it's loaded, just scroll through here and make sure that it has no exact similar photo. We can also click the Find Image Source button, and this should tell you if there's an actual image that Midjourney just copied, but this hardly ever happens. Now going back to our Midjourney tab, as you can see, the dimensions of our photo is currently 1024 by 1024. This is the default size that Midjourney generates. And obviously, this is too small for printing, and the printed sticker could be pixelated and blurry if we use this dimension. So the next thing that we need to do is to upscale the photo without ruining its quality. To do that, we can use the free website image enlarger called Replicate. Open another tab on your browser, type in Replicate, and then click on this black and white logo. Here's an example of how they upscale the photos. This is a cat which is upscaled 2 times, and as you can see, its details are still clear. So this is a fast and a good way to upscale your AI images. Now in here, click on sign in, and you would need GitHub to use it. If you don't have one, click on create account, choose and enter a username, type in your email address, and then type in your password. After that, just verify your account in here, and once you have access to the replicate site, you can drag your image to upload it. Choose an upscale size. You can enlarge your images from 2 times up to 10 times. And then after that, simply click on submit and then wait for it to finish. Once it's done, click on download. And now to compare it, as you can see, this enlarged image is way clearer and defined, making it more suitable for printing. Now, after upscaling all of your stickers, you need to remove the background from our sticker images. You can use whatever editing site or any editing platform that you use, but one platform that I can recommend and I will use in this video is Photopeya. It's like Adobe Photoshop, but you don't need to download it, and it is online for free. So in another tab, type in Photopeya, click on this result, tap on open from computer to access your device photos. From here, choose your sticker, and then once it's loaded on the editing page, go ahead to the left side panel on your screen where you can see the tools tab. Click on this icon, which is the magic wand. And once your cursor looks like this, click on the white areas, the space that you want to delete, and then press the backspace key on your keyboard. As you can see, the white background is now deleted and the checkered layout here is just transparent. Now after this, there may be some shadows or some details that the magic wand may not be able to select and erase. And what you can do to clean this up is to just use the eraser tool. Once you're done, you can then export it as PNG, fix its layout, and then upload it to print-on-demand websites. So that is how to make passive income with stunning AI stickers on Midjourney. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.